starting out on your financial journey, you don't know where to start, you feel overwhelmed, you start and you slack, just one simple step is all you need, and that is why I am making this video for you. So I will tell you just one thing to do, and I'm going to get my phone and show you how and why it works. Because by taking one simple action, you can move from broke to financial freedom. You can move from not knowing what to do with your finances to retiring with millions, right? So what is that one simple step? It is like this. Every month, have a dedicated amount you put away for savings and investing. It's as simple as that. But I'm going to tell you how you will do it to make sure you are consistent, because consistency matters. So you hear it all the time. Pay yourself first, pay yourself first. That is what they mean, right? So let's say your income comes in. Normally, we are paying every other person. We are paying a house rent, groceries, transportation, spending so much. Nothing is left for us. Now, how about instead of just paying others first, forgetting yourself, or even leaving yourself last, remove that amount. Decide how much is convenient for you, how much you can afford to. You can try to do like 10%, 20% of your income, right? So every month, take out that money. So let's say, for instance, you earn 200,000 naira if you're in Nigeria, or you earn bi-weekly if you're abroad, right? So out of it, you feel like, okay, monthly, I can take out 30,000 naira. What happens is that once your income comes in, remove that 30,000 naira. Even if you're a business owner, from your profit, I hope you pay yourself, right? Then when you pay yourself monthly, remove that amount. Are you a freelancer or you work for yourself? Your income is not steady. Have a defined routine. So if you get paid like a freelancer, you just work, they pay you, you work, they pay you. So from each payment, you can tell yourself that from each payment, 10% of it is going out for myself. This one is not for enjoyment. So no, this is for your future. This is for your savings and investment portfolio, right? That is step one. Remove this money. Step two, where are you moving it? No, you're not going to leave it in a bank account. You don't do idle funds here. So that money, you're going to move it to an account that will pay you interest, a savings and investment account. On this video, I have a video on how you can invest on some of these platforms. I'm going to link it in the description, so you go and watch it next, right? So you're going to move it there. Number one, you're going to be making interest from that money. Remember, nobody builds wealth from just savings. No, it's from investing. And so far it's paying you interest, is an investment, right? So you're going to move that money there where you'll be earning interest. Do this continuously. You can, some months you can decide to, like, okay, if you want to invest it, maybe if you want to invest in stock, you can move the money to stock. I have a detailed video on stock investing. I'll also leave it in the description. Listen, on this channel, we are all about securing the bag. You can't be a part of this channel and your money is stressing you. You are stressing over money. No. And please, if you've not liked the video, kindly do so, right? Okay, so you're going to move that money to that account. Invest it, save it there. It's going to make you interest. Why should you do this? Because from taking this one single action, over time can make you millions. 30,000 naira monthly for, let's say, when are you going to retire? Let's say your retirement is in the next 30 years, right? And you said that you want to build your retirement portfolio from this. And even if it's not for retirement, there is that confidence that comes from knowing that you have money somewhere, you have something staked somewhere, right? So even if it's not for your retirement, at least your money is growing there. And you can withdraw anytime you want. But remember, the best, to get the best out of investing is to leave it for long term. But let's assume that you want to be saving, let's say 30K every month. And right now, you can get as high as 20% on some platforms here. You can get 15%, more than that on some platform. Let's do something. I'm going to show, press my calculator now and show you. If you want to be saving 30K monthly, let's even be conservative and say at an interest rate of 15%. Now you can get up to 20, but let's be conservative and say as an interest rate of 15% in the next 30 years. Let's assume your retirement is 30 years and you're building the portfolio for your retirement. What are you going to get? Let me show you. Let's press calculator together. So when you open any compounding interest calculator, just search for compound interest calculator on your phone, right? So initial investment, we say that you will be saving 30,000 naira, right? And we are forecasting an interest rate of 15% every month. And then we say you will use it for the next 30 years, okay? So monthly deposit amount, you'll be putting in 30,000 naira as well, right? And then let's see what you are going to get at the end of 30 years. Oh my God. Can you see this? Like, can you see this? Wait, let's look at it. Projection for 30 years is 210 million. Oh my God. Wait, that's not even the mind-blowing part. See, what you've been able to save is just 10.8 million. How did 10.8 million turn to 210 million? That is the power of compounding. That is the, just tell me, from 10.8 million to over 200 million. Is that not blood money? And some of us are still reluctant about investing their money. See, it's not because Jennifer said, I have showed you. That is compounding in action. So what is the next step? You have an assignment, please. Go and decide, go and sit down. Look at your income, all your sources of income. How much can you decide to put away every month, right? Specify that. What platform do you want to be doing this? I use Optimus. I'm going to drop the sign up link on the description now. Sign up. It's free to sign up. You can even automate it. That's another interesting thing. You can tell your bank that every month, please move 30K on so amount from my on so dates from my account to this Optimus account, right? I think I have my next video is going to be on how to use Optimus, so be on the lookout for it, please. So move it there. Then on Optimus, you can even just save it on their log platform, or you can decide to invest in stock. In fact, if you invest in stock, that one is mind-blowing. Like I said, I have a video on stock investing already. If you go to my playlist, you see investing for beginners. So many amazing investing videos. Go there after this video now, right? And you do this thing consistently. And remember, over time, your income will be growing. What you started out with may not be what you are going to end with, right? But see how much you can make from it. Does it still sound overwhelming? No, simple action, right? Very simple thing to do. How much can you afford to keep? Start doing it. Yes, investing is boring because you're doing the same thing month after month. But it's as simple as that. It doesn't have to be anything strange. Or, of course, there's so many other investments you can explore. Commercial paper, treasury bill, government bonds. I have all of these videos on the channel already. Just go and watch them. But if you are just beginning and confused on where to start, this is the best place to start. I'm so glad you watched this to the end, because you see this money, this financial freedom, you can't be on this channel and be lagging behind. Thanks for being a part of this channel. I'm going to link some of those videos I mentioned, investing in stock or using Optimus, even the link to sign up on Optimus. Let's see you there. And thanks for being here. I'll see you on that other video.